Hello and hi everybody. In this video, let us talk about the pharmaceutical inorganic chemistry or pharmaceutical chemistry 1, which is the subject to be studied in first year B pharmacy or first year D pharmacy. Now, what is chemistry? Chemistry is a branch of science where composition, structure, properties, and reactions of matter is studied. Now, what is matter? Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. For example, if you talk about the pen, it occupies space and has mass as well. The exception to this is air. Air neither occupies space and nor it has mass. Now, there are different branches of chemistry like physical chemistry, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, pharmaceutical chemistry, analytical chemistry, biochemistry, and many more. Now, what is organic chemistry? Organic chemistry is the study of organic compounds, hydrocarbons, and their derivatives. Organic compounds are covalent compounds, and carbon is the essential element of organic compounds. Example is acetic acid. Now, what are hydrocarbons? CH is the functional group of the hydrocarbons. An example of this is alkanes, alkene, and alkynes. Now, organic chemistry, we study the more complex molecules like carbohydrates, nucleic acids, etc. The example of the derivative of organic compounds include methylamine. Now, inorganic chemistry. It is exactly opposite to the organic chemistry. It is study of all the elements and their compounds except those of carbon and organic compounds. Exception to this is carbon dioxide, cyanides, and carbides. In spite of containing carbon in it, it is studied under inorganic chemistry. The other example of inorganic compounds include sodium chloride, sulfuric acid, calcium phosphate. In inorganic chemistry, you study the reaction of non-living matters and minerals found in nature. It is a study of less complex or simple molecules. Now, since organic and inorganic chemistry has wide applications in pharmacy, it needs to be studied under the special branch called as pharmaceutical chemistry. Now, what is pharmaceutical inorganic chemistry? The study of application of inorganic compounds has led to the development of new branch called as pharmaceutical inorganic chemistry. Now let's talk about the definition of pharmaceutical inorganic chemistry. It deals with the study of preparation, standards of purity, limit tests for determining quality, purity, and storage conditions of all inorganic compounds. For example, if you talk about sodium chloride, which is an inorganic compound, it is used for replenishing fluids in the body. It's studied under pharmaceutical inorganic compounds. Here we study the preparation of sodium chloride, standards to maintain the purity of sodium chloride, then limit tests for determining the quality of sodium chloride, then what are the purity and storage conditions of sodium chloride. All it is studied under pharmaceutical inorganic chemistry. In the next video, let's talk about the applications of pharmaceutical inorganic chemistry. Till then, bye bye and thank you.